how you can add the custom fonts in your React Native project. So here I have already have my React Native project here, which contains the default boilerplate, and I'm running iOS as well as Android. These are the default React Native pages which has the default fonts right now. Now we will add fonts to our project. So first of all, create a new folder where you will store your assets. I will add a fonts folder. I'm going to copy the fonts in this location. So I have already my fonts downloaded on my desktop. So I'll choose only light, regular and bold fonts. I'll copy them right here. Okay, so now my project has these three font files. Now I will create a new file, and the name should be exactly this: react-native.config.js. Now I'm going to write here the path of the folders where my fonts files are kept. So I'm going to write module.exports assets, which is an array of string which contains my path, assets and fonts. That's it. So guys, now next I'm going to run a command that read this path and link the font files to each of this project, React, Android and iOS. So the command is npx react-native link. So as you can see, linking is complete for iOS project as well as Android project. Next you have to run the each project again. First I'm running this Android project. So as you can see, the default page still has the default font family. Now what we are going to do is change the font family for this page. So this is the file, and I'm going to change the title of each section, which has the style name section title. So I'm just going to give the font family of Montserrat regular, or say bold. So that's it. Now the Android knows our new fonts Montserrat bold. Same goes for light and regular as well. So that's it. Now you have to do the same for iOS too. I'm going to run the iOS project. So here you can see that iOS also showing our updated fonts. So you can try for bold and regular or light. So that's it guys, our fonts are linked and you can use in the application by this name. Thanks for watching guys. Please like the video, and if you have any query you can ask me in the comment section, and if you want to watch such videos please subscribe my channel. Thank you.